You can expect a lot from the 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chrysler are offered, including front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, a blind spot monitoring system, rain-sensing wipers, a roof rack, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.